manifest. It's gotta manifest. Why? Because I believe in God. Why? Because I'm a believer of Jesus Christ. It's gotta manifest. Why? Because I've been through too much to get to this point, to die empty-handed. It's gonna manifest. Oh, it's gonna manifest. Gonna manifest, yes it is. As we touch you with our faith, we receive manifestation. As we touch you with our faith, we receive manifestation. What was invisible shall be visible, and what was impossible shall be possible. You ought to prophesy real quick. As we touch you with our faith, we receive manifestation. As we touch you with our faith, we receive manifestation. Prophesy. What was invisible shall be visible. Speak it over your life. What was impossible shall be possible. Just make it a little greater. As we touch you, we receive it. As we touch you, we receive it. What was invisible, I prophesied that God's about to put it out of you. I prophesied that God's about to put it out of you. Shall be possible. I need everybody in the room, raise your faith. As we touch you, we receive it. As we touch you, we receive it. What was invisible shall be. What was shall be. As we touch you with our faith, woman with the issue of blood. Woman with the issue of blood, issue. Your issue is not too big for God. We receive manifest. Lazarus, get up out of that grave. Lazarus. I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. I don't have to see it, but I know. Prophesy, I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. I don't have to see it, but I know. I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. Oh, I don't have to see it, but I know it's coming. But I know it's coming. It's already here. The healing that I need, the breakthrough that I need. But I was invisible. You're not crazy. You know what you saw. You're not crazy. You know what you heard, but it was invisible. The Bible says, ask and you shall receive. Seek, watch, and you shall find. The spirit of hopelessness has been trying to suck the life out of you because it's been invisible. But if you just seek a little more, look again. Look again. Look again. Right here. What was invisible, sing it with me, say it, shall be. What was in shall be. Yeah. Boy, it's already done.